Don't you wake a sleeping lion. Don't you wake a sleeping lion. 'Cause when the lion asleep, him is not harmful. But when you wake a sleeping lion, him can be harmful. So don't you wake a sleeping lion. Yeah, don't you wake a sleeping lion. Speak my mind, family. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. Good afternoon, good morning, whatever part of the world you are. Thank you all for your support and your continuous support. Bless up all the new subscribers who just come this week, last month, the month before. Bless up to all who they a long time. And bless up to the real supporters them. Bless up on yourself. You know, it's a festive season. I hope it catch you in good health. And remember, some of us out here, we might not, you know, healthy as we're supposed to be, and we know of our health issues. Please don't make the festive season cause you to consume certain things that you know you're not supposed to consume. Don't put it in the back of your head, say, no man, that's just a one-off. That one-off can be very detrimental to you, and you know that. So please don't get yourself involved in certain things that you know you're not supposed to consume. Alright? So we don't know. Cause we don't know, you know. Yes, Christmas has come, them say we must eat them say we must drink wine, them say we must drink this because of the issues that we are having health-wise. But we just tell ourselves, a holiday, nah, do me nothing. One half, not. Come on. You don't know. Alright? So just beware. Anyway, want to know what to do? Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. It's so easy to watch the ads. So easy. Not take nothing off for you. When you watch the ads, that's how the channel gain a revenue. And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section asking you for a subscription. You know, it take time getting there, but the time I run out also. And more than 70 I want over here can just run go subscribe. Alright, and I just subscribe and then tomorrow you unsubscribe. Subscribe. Make her have a jolly Christmas seeing that 1,000. Me see she posts 9. And not even 70 she want, a 60 she want now. Yes, 60. Me see she posts in her community. She feels so glad that she getting close 940. Me see she posts it in her community. You know. So just imagine when she reach at 1,000. That's supposed to give her that pump to say, boy, yes, me have to start do some content now, no care what. If it's even for go live for even half hour or something, I have to find something to get the people them to do now. Whereas she need the watch hour of 4,000 watch hour time. So just begging on the next 60 now. 60 more she want now. It'll move slowly, but at the same time, the days are running out. And me I beg on it for my Christmas present and fear. I'm tired. Me don't want to come back next year. Depend life with Gabby and Chevy, please. Alright, and remember my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. If you have not yet subscribed to that YouTube channel, it's my backup channel, family oriented channel. You get every little thing over there, commentary, cook vlog, indoor, outdoor, newscast, you know, every little thing you get over there. A family oriented channel. And I want to support the channel. Watch the videos just like when they come over here and sit down and watch these videos. When I watch them videos too, man, promote that channel. That channel is my inspirational channel. That channel is a channel that I have as my brainchild. You understand? And this channel just turn out to be this, and me just continue and just build back that channel for what I really want to do. Right? So just sightseeing, you know, and the whole little adventure we come, you know, when me don't know yet, me still working on it because it takes money and it takes time. Alright? Yeah. Anyway, oh, and remember TikTok. Life is a Mission TV, same way. And for all of you already know where I follow TikTok, especially the Jamaicans, you know, say the US I got shut down TikTok based on the last court hearing the 19th of January. After how much appeal from the TikTok people, them it turned down. I don't know if anything can change before, but everybody now are focused on the new app favorited. So all people that follow TikTok and have follow them favorite Jamaican TikToker and I run over favorited. I am over there also. Life is a Mission TV. Remember the cash app is there, $, charms and trends. When you give me, I use the gift to give back to the needy. not the greedy, needy, and it's a festive season. And remember, check out the Instagram page of charmed underscore and underscore trends. Go on the site, and anything you see there, you get it customized. Give your loved one a special gift, not just a simple, normal gift. Something that they can feel a part of. Alright? Customized gift. Anything you see. You can go straight to the website, charmsandtrend.shop, to order anything else you see on there. But if not, you can just go in the DM if you ask for what you want and more information. Customize. Alright. People, when you hear me start it and say, don't you wake a sleeping lion. Why me here? Y.M.K this morning run out, sir. I mean, I don't know what happened to these people. You know, them try one way to work, them try another way to work, and them just continue to feel them own self. Yeah, them just continue to feel themselves. You just want to see things happen, negative things happen. You know, you don't want to see no friendship, you don't want to see no love within nobody. But yet still, on the other hand, you come out on a platform and preach love. But when certain people, you know, have that love and that bond between them, you try to do everything to change that love and that bond. And tomorrow you come out on a platform like on is this all, you know, on is this peacemaker. On is this person who loved and want to see people comfortable and be loved by others. Come on. Anyway, the man come out because there was a little with the strawberry cake, you know, cakes reach back Chris must have since week. So Chris must have sampled the strawberry for the first time. And you know, he has given his opinion on the strawberry. When the video play, I will get into that. And people run out again. Just like how the Wassid run out the other day with the same issue, with the issue about him saying what he said. You know, and these people are coming out with things when they have no substance, where people can clearly understand what has been said. You can't come out here trying to confuse people. Well, you might confuse phone little viewers, a handful of people who don't have a follow. No? Because some of them know the reality, some of them know the truth, but because them not like such side and them not like such woman and them not like such man, they will just stick with what you say. Those are hypocrites. Those are people who's leading you down a path where you will never ever see the light. Because they are just thinking the same way like Uno. Despite they are seeing that what Uno is doing is wrong and want to say no right, and don't know so it go, them just make Uno feel like I saw it go because them just want the backative of Uno and Uno want the backative of them to lead down the path Uno and lead to tear down people and mash up people good friendship and the love with people have for them one another. The man run out past Slowphy. Jesus peace, Slowphy. Boy, I don't know what happened to you. Uno is one set of confused all long time big man. Yes man, only is one set of all long time confused big man. Because you go through trauma in our young days of what you go through. And it's because you don't have no faith, you never get past the trauma. Because enough of we go through trauma in our young days, but we get past it because the faith we did have in the Almighty, it helps us to get past it. No matter which stage we reach now, in this adult age, we get past it. We not try to even remember about it to show you how much we get past it. You understand? But someone you not get past it, so you come out here, come cause all kind of bangarang and confusion. People, me not go no further. Man of the kingdom speaking.
Y.M.K then. I mean, it's not gonna like it talk right now because you have some people out there will feel like say
Real problem child, man.
Them is Miss Know It All or Mr. Know It All. And let me tell you something, you see me? I really want to enter back into the realm.
I don't know it all, man. They just want to cause confusion.
Into the realm of what you call it now? Cursing out people in the way I usually curse out people. You understand me? This is what is left of Donna's strawberry fruit cake. This is like 1/5 of the cake left. I wouldn't say this a quarter.
People, I try. You know, to that Friday, so I try beat the man. If I go up to him, I pick up some guns, you know. But I try beat the man with the music. Because I know when I come back in music, I go turn on. And I want to beat the traffic too, you know. But I want to beat the music. I can't bother with no indoor video right now. So I try beat the traffic. Beat him with the music.
On the live. and do like a little review. Because I love Donna. I love our coconut fruit cake. Yeah? Everybody have them favorite.
True.
Because them love the Java fruit cake. Yeah?
Everybody have them favorite and everybody have them different taste bud that lead to make them have a favorite. Everybody
No.
not have the same taste bud.
I was in love with this with the coconut fruit cake.
So it can taste good to me and it taste good to you. That no mean it no good.
That I said yesterday that
Wow, remember warm up in a people.
I was not getting the
He's not
strawberry
going to be this calm right
from
here.
the cake, from the flavor. May I get like a tangy feel.
And remember now, this is not just a customer. This is not just an ordinary person buying a cake. This is not just an ordinary person eating a slice of cake, you know, and trying to give, you know, a sense of the taste of the cake then. This is a professional baker. And when I say professional baker, I don't mean a bake bread. I don't mean a professional baker who bake toto. I don't mean a professional baker who bake rat cake and bun. This is a professional baker who specializes, despite he might bake all the other stuff that I just called. This is a specialized baker in cakes. Remember now, you know, he is a professional person who specializes in baking cakes. So when a man like this come out and I say what him I say, it's not supposed to feel to nobody there is any bring down or animosity to what he's saying. And not because he and Donna are brother and sister. I don't know where we are talking about. He should be like sugarcoating anything. Listen this. I say this all the while. If you're running a business, especially a food establishment, and your food not taste good and nobody now complain, or there is a problem with your food, too salt, or you use too much of this or too much of that, and nobody now complain, everybody just take it and murmur within themselves, your business will never improve. You know what can happen? You're going to lose customer, and you're going to wonder what is the problem. Wagwan. And you're not going to know wagwan. You know why? Because nobody never relate the problem to you as the customers, and you feel like everything is okay. So when customer relate your problem, worse when them relate it in a more respectful manner. And if I something to do discreet, you can do it discreet. But all this what Chris has said, I never know if I have to do discreet. When I have to call Donna, answer ropes. And me I go tell you now why. Let's continue.
And so it feels like I'm eating sorrel. Because even though I get this tanginess on my tongue same way. Right? You know when you eat something that is very tangy or zesty, you do this action, you know?
I like something with sour in it.
Because it believes that somebody are trying to come for me now, and I talk about same thing with them did I say the other day when
no way them did I say the wingless wasp. No way them did I say the wingless wasp.
Of me because see there again, me gonna review the woman cake
the wingless wasp.
And me I say, me not taste the strawberry. What kind of friend me is?
No, this, not she said this, you know, but when did I say before?
Be careful on me.
Yeah.
And I'm like, what the fuck?
I don't know if she said this, I should say, because I not hear who said this.
When me say we're wrong, me not say nothing wrong. All I said is that, okay, when me go to the supermarket over here and me buy strawberries, right? You might buy a box of strawberries, right? Half of it might be sweet, half of it in between, and half of it might be a bit, you know, like them not ripe good or whatever. If me say me not taste the strawberry, I don't taste the strawberry. So hold on there. So The way all me I look on everything though is like people want me to tell lie. Like nobody never asks me my opinion, but I am a person that is opinionated. And I like to express myself as such. So if I say I not taste the strawberry, I don't taste it. I not see what this big excitement for. You see that, that's why I tell you now that I must be wear a Chris because see that now I bring down the woman cake and me. Can you imagine? When me a taste, when me a eat the cake here, I am having the cake, I am eating the cake, right?
What did I say? Them sit down and watch how people business and feed them a pie.
I am getting sorrel. I'm looking at the body of the cake, I don't see any sorrel here. Because you know, normally sometimes you will see the sorrel.
And what he's saying here, you know, he's not saying it's sorrel, you know. But what he's saying, more used to the sorrel taste that give that tangy taste. He's trying to say that when him eat the strawberry cake, he might get the same tangy taste. So probably he might flash and say, I wonder if I'm mistaken, it's a sorrel cake. This. So as him say, him going at the cake to see if him see that little sorrel something that we might have see the little strand like from probably the ginger and stuff. And he has not seen any. So you don't get it twisted. You understand? He was just wondering through the tangy taste of the sorrel what him used to and that him did not get. So him did not wonder if it's a mistake and it's a sorrel cake. It's not a strawberry cake. Alright. Let's clear up that to my knowledge. To my knowledge.
I look on it good and I say, maybe I'm not sorry, you know. Remember, I had an appointment. Right? And whilst I was driving away, when I end the live, somebody did come see me. And them come later and I tell them, say, look, you know, me I have to run go where me I go now. Whilst driving away, I start for taste, an aftertaste of strawberry. Me never bother come back pan a live.
Alright. With him saying this, that's how it goes sometimes with certain things. Certain things, eating it, immediately taking it and eating it, you don't get that taste of it same time. It's when it leaves on your taste bud, you started to get the taste of it. You hear the man say? After him eat and him whatsoever, him started to taste the taste of the strawberry because now it left on him taste bud, him kind of taste it now. But in just eating it at first, you're not going to eat. And there a lot of you out here can account it for that. There is a lot of things you eat where supposed to have a certain flavor, and when you're not eating to it, you not taste that flavor there. But after you eat or you swallow, you get it on a taste bud. You listen. Somebody beg me to, one of my subscriber there and beg me to breadfruit, you know. I pick them before them pick them off.
Because remember when I started the live, it wasn't about reviewing Donna's cake. I started the live doing you know, just for this place I may get 28 more of the woman cake that were pre-ordered. I get 28 more. Right? I get 28. So whilst I was on the live now, I say, alright, you know what? Let me just taste that strawberry cake here now because I the only flavor with Donna do I never taste. You understand me? I mean, I understand why this woman have this big dirty opinion over me tasting woman cake. So hold on a minute then now. When Donna did invite me, when we did go a planker shop a couple years ago, and I was trying all of Donna's cakes. Remember, you know, I did me and Kazim did go 1 December.
This is the part
me alone. I can't remember. I was me and Kazim. When Donna did carry out the sample then when she started the plant and cake, the coconut, the java and everything and whatever. Right? When Donna did make me try the java, remember me don't know java, my love. Me don't know nothing about java. I've never had java before. Never had it before. So me don't know what java it tastes like.
So you can't talk about a taste of something you never tasted before. That's true.
Oh no.
So I mean, I know what it tastes like, so I can't give a review on the taste.
I couldn't say, yeah, me love it. Like, you know, you incorporate the java in the goodie. Wow. You know them way there? You know, because I don't know nothing about java. I don't. So I
In a case like that, the only thing you can say, yeah man, it tastes good. But what percentage of mark you could you forgive it? You can't give it because you don't know what a Java tastes like. You understand? You have never eat papa before, and somebody use papa make papa cake. Eating the cake, you can say yes man, the cake mice it not taste bad. But you can't give a percentage of how the cake supposed to taste if it tastes that way. Because you never eat papa before. So you don't know the taste of papa. You understand? And that is exactly what I say. Him don't know the taste of Java cake. So him couldn't give that big review if he say yes, it's a wow. Him only can know say boy, well alright, it eat good, it not eat bad. Because if you never eat Single Bible before, you know, and you eat a Single Bible cake, you're going to taste bitterness. So you're going to say bitter, you're not going to say it tastes good, you're going to say it bitter. But at the same time, you never eat Single Bible before the first year taste it. You understand? So it is simple that. But the point I want to prove here, as Y.M.K said, Donna carry out the whole heap of cake them film review. It's just the same thing. Donna asks for people honest review. Your honest review. And if him and our brother and sister, as we all know, son I come from, all know, him as a professional baker who specializes in cake, he's going to eat the strawberry cake for the first time. Remember know him that England. One of them come say him should have called her up on the phone and said this and said that. No. Because if he was here, she would want him to be on the live giving his review. As she has done more than one time with different product when he's here, what she had done for the first time and he might have tasted the first time. So as Y.M.K say, him not say nothing wrong with Y.M.K say, and him not say nothing wrong. And mother say the same thing too. And many of you have said the same thing. Because we know it's just the haters and the people them who want to see, you know, the back of this friendship. He say me can drop out on Sunday. Want to see the back of this friendship that the two of these persons have. You know, he's going to come out here with them nonsense and them bull crap. You understand? Cause nothing wrong. It's just an honest review with Donna would have put him on Fear Live to give her an honest review. How many times Donna asks people to give them honest review? Because it's only so you can improve whatever you do. If it not tastes good, you're gonna make me feel alright with it, how it mix and how it tastes. But you, the customer, don't feel alright with it and you keep it to yourself and not say nothing. How am I going to know? It's not like a something happen where you beat down her business or you say nothing. She need an honest review. Knowing Donna, she always try to improve her product every year. Every year she try to get it better and better. I don't know this way I hide. So me not see why these people supposed to take this make a big argument. I will know sir the haters them. The people them just want to put a barrier between she and Chris. And they are trying so hard to do so. And then now to them know said Chris is a man sometimes him head will go off if them pressure him too much. But him will withstand all these pressure with Uno for over 3 years. Going 4 years strong. So why do you think Uno go try and try and try and it gonna happen? Come on.
Compare it to anything. But all I know, I was eating a fruit cake that had a different flavor. So if this is the Java, it is not my favorite. Remember, I said this on the live. I was live and Donna was live. I had the plantain one. The plantain was okay, was nice, but it wasn't my favorite. After me taste everything now, I concluded that the coconut was my favorite. The coconut was my favorite. And so, you know, me start make the coconut cake because, you know, and whatever. I mean, I've seen the coconut fruit cake floating around on YouTube, but it never occurred to me to make it. When I took my cranberry fruit cake to Jamaica, and Donna tried it, Donna said, Chris, it look like you use a lot of wine in your cake. I'm going to say, yeah, I use wine in my cakes. You understand me? And she said, it tastes good, but you can taste a lot of wine. So you tell me now, say,
right.
Donna gave me that critique on my cake.
She gave a fair honest review. Because
What
it might
happened to
okay
that?
for him with the wine with him a taste.
What
But
happened
to
to that?
she, it tastes different.
So wanna look on the things that
So
me
only just
say
a
and
look
what
on
me
things
do
too negative,
because
but
on
only
so
know what is what, but only
invested,
just a try
on
cause
one
confusion
mash up me
between the
and
two
Donna
people.
friendship, on
Simple.
one
And
point
that
out
them
this,
want.
on one point out
And I
that
only
to the
hope you
public,
understand and
on one
realize
point
that's
out
that them a
every
try.
mama blood because on want to show and display say Chris and a good smaddy to Donna. This is why enough of uno out there, uno have friendships and the friendships are hypocritical friendships. Right? Uno friendship are hypocritical friendships. Because if you have a friend and the friend mouth stink, you rather go to the road with a friend with them stinking mouth. So when people go say, but look how Chris have what's your name there walk with him and our mouth stink. Lord, that means that Chris loves stinking mouth then. Stinking mouth friend. I'm not bringing down her cake at all. And it's not like I want to make it either. I do not want to make the strawberry fruit cake. The same way me never want to make no Java. The same way me never want to make nothing else. The only thing I took from Donna as it relates to formula-wise, and Donna talking the other day upon our live again, upon one of our live them, was the sorrel fruit cake.
It's one that on the lower
How
side,
to
never go on the
incorporate the
old step on
sorrel
it, yeah?
in
But
your
I'm not climbing
own
right
recipe.
now in my old stage.
That is what I took
Because
from
I take the
Donna.
leather, you know, leather too heavy.
Remember, Donna wanted me to go make Java and all the. Me never have Java sell in England. Where me I go get Java from over here?
You have to go plant couple tree over there. Carry up couple dry seed, go plant.
And it come here, frozen, or what, me not go do it for the sake of cake.
Carry up couple dry seed and go plant.
Sometimes the people will think they leave them alone. Me not go run against nobody, me not go copy nobody, and them something. The only thing I took was the coconut. The coconut fruit cake has been floating around YouTube for years. Yes, it's been floating around for years. The cake must nice fit reach ya so. Cause all of me did a work last night, me and yam it.
Yeah, and if something not tastes good, you're not going to eat
The
it off.
texture is lovely.
For real, that's true.
It is very fruity.
Me get this big slice of
There's
cake
no
now.
mistake with that cake here.
I'm
But
saying
all
yes,
I'm saying
but
is
I will
while
start
eating
eat it, me not taste it, it not taste good. I feel
I
me
am
hungry, me
not,
can't eat it
I,
off.
your majesty, Chris,
Can't eat it off if it not taste good.
aka the Y.M.K, I am not getting a sudden burst of strawberry.
That's simple way I say. You not say no
That is
strawberry
what I
cake.
said. So don't want me to be a hypocrite.
Alright, watch it now. It's like you go buy a potato pudding. And when you go buy the potato pudding, you bite in it. You naturally taste the potato because the potato is so strong. The potato carries a strong taste, you know. So you go and taste the potato. Cornmeal pudding, you buy the cornmeal pudding are the same thing. You go and taste the cornmeal pudding. You understand? But with the strawberry might not have that strong kick of flavor there. You understand? So basically, it's like after it left on your taste bud, you might taste it. I have not have one of the cake as yet. And probably other cake them I go buy this year, the strawberry cake. I am not a lover of strawberry. You know, I'm not really a lover of strawberry, but probably that I go buy because the rest of me really fancy. I buy them already, which is a fruit cake. I'm gonna buy about 3 different cake I buy already after the lot. Because I not go buy them I really fancy. You understand? So I not try that yet. But it's just simple that way I say. It's not like when you bite into it, you get that ready taste of strawberry there. Nothing wrong with that. For you take that I run with. Good God. Whoa. Lord God. 2025 are coming up. Couple weeks, couple days
That the
away.
woman strawberry cake I go sell less.
Couple days away. We need to
That
start
strawberry fruit cake I
pull
go
up on the
sell
socks
less.
now and change on the folly ground.
I am not getting an immediate taste of strawberry.
We're adding that. Not adding that to believe. Not adding that. We're wrong in that. We're bad in that.
Wait, they want to drive a wedge.
Remember now, as me say now, this is a man with the woman asking honest opinion from her live for more than one
I
cake.
to myself, say,
So now make a big things out of.
you know, sometimes, you say you feel like you want us to leave this whole world behind. And if you do that, a dead, you go dead. And I don't have that dead for now. I don't want dead, you know. Coming to buy 2 robots yet for work for me. You understand me? I mean, I say technology, a galang or it a go on for the future. I want to live to see when car fly. Because I want to fly one myself. You understand me? But these people, them are social media drunk for them. The social media hyena them. The social media termite them. Them are people here. Because let me tell you, a lot of these people, they don't know friendship, you know. Because they don't have no friendship will last forever. Or for any great deal of time. They don't have it. So when them see 2 people being friends, no matter the distance or whatever, them hate for see such a beautiful thing go on. No, I have nothing against Donna, Donna have nothing against me. In every friendship you have issues, you have problems. Me and Donna have no issue, we have no problem. We are 2 busy people. We're busy. Sometimes Donna will message me, and just like some people out here when I consider.
What happened, you know, the main purpose is, you know, to try to separate uno. Because remember, you know, them aim at first was to have you who have a strong support base also. Probably it is honest and it is evident that might not as big as the Planka Nation, but you have a very large and big support base also. So you in this diaspora is like the second largest platform out here when it comes to supporters. So what they were trying to do is use you and your supporters to get at 99 in that earlier days. And because that never worked, and them say boom, 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 you wheel, and you find positivity, you find progress, you find motivation, you find a business person like yourself in a this woman than what them did a try to do. Fabricate stories and tell you all kind of things in your comment section and you know and whatsoever. So because it never worked that way for them, and them realize so with the first and the second largest platform is together like this, there is nothing they can do to tear on the system apart. So what they are trying to do now is wedge them way in between the two on, wedge them way in between the two on, because they want to separate you know. Remember now, you know, it never worked when you were separated, you know. Them try and it fail. I want to separate now. Why now you feel like it will work if you don't wedge? But here I know. As I said, through them know say you're a man, sometimes your head will chip. But if you did realize who this woman is when them a try before you even know her, know that you know this woman. Come on, where the hell? If you even come out here and then push you over the limit and you say certain things, me know that I go more than understand. You understand? But these people who expect you to come out at some point and deal in a certain way, after 3-4 years, them not see it happen, them still a force see it happen because them just tell themselves it will happen one day because probably who they know you is that yes, you're a man like this way, you can't take the peer pressure. When it reach you just you will hold it, but when it reach you just let out. Yes. So them a continue for this. But I don't think it a go work. Once you stand your ground, it will work because you already know who you are dealing with. Yes, man. Well, my people, me are in a recent finishing up this video, you know, because the man start playing music yet, but it seems like one bus step on the other side of the road. I mean, if I tune them and tune it or just a idle. Be a loud noise.
But we see the message coming in,
what?
but I can't listen to it now.
And that's what on my road, different road.
Good quality time. For listen to good quality people, we are sending good quality messages. Some might not listen immediately. I might did rack up my brain about something right there and then. I can't go listen to this now because I go just forget. We see the message coming, we see all the say this is one of the bestest fruitcakes that Donna ever make.
Right.
Bestest fruitcake she ever make.
And we love the coconut before. And now she make this the same like one. You see the same one we must say the not taste the strawberry, it must have the best one now.
Me one. The way how me I take time with it. But there's a flavor there But you know, over here when we you know,
In
you bite a
business,
strawberry,
opinion matters
you know,
from
you get
customers.
that's cause you eat the
And you
raw
don't want nobody
strawberry.
to give you know.
I did not get it
You know,
here.
you need honest opinion.
I didn't
So
get
you
it.
can improve
So I don't know
from
what
the
you want me to
opinion.
do. Like, what you want me
If
to tell
there is
lie,
something there to
or maybe I
improve
should
on.
just keep my mouth shut. Leave me alone, okay? Because I'm telling you something. You know, me can't we don't know. Because the first smaddy the other day come talk about me a talk about the cake them left over and this and that and whatever. And uno no in a me and Donna business. Uno no in a me and Donna business.
Broke wing, you know?
So I don't understand how I get in a me and Donna business as it relates to selling
I know
her
you
cake.
and Donna business, everybody
The
business
slow
are
one
on
over
to
there,
say
so
matter planka shop more than they are
over
more.
there, so she had the next one I talk about my cake them
Slowphy.
now sell. Why me I go have a
Slowphy.
shop and I sell other people products? Why me I go have a shop and I sell other people products?
Nothing
So
wrong
why
with
me
that.
can't sell other people products?
Nothing wrong with that. Worse if it not hamper your sale.
I mean, hear Shaggy out sound like, me now make no money off fight. Okay, so that is, but if me now make no money off fight, that's my business.
You have people
no,
that
no,
England
me
who
now
might
make
want
no money
Donna
off it.
cake
Suppose me
and
just say so.
he's the only person who probably
That is my
can
business.
get it there.
I
So
am the businessman.
nothing wrong with
It's
that.
my business place. Anything me want put in there for sale, me not put low and putting them in there for sale too. What is the big bumbleclad problem with Uno?
Yeah, I'll get something for
What
drink.
is the big bumbleclad problem with Uno? What is the problem with Uno? Me I put my products on, me I sell Donna. Okay. Let me tell you something. Mrs. Supermarket have them own a brand of things I sell. And supermarket are bringing supermarket have them own a soap powder. And them a sell every brand of soap powder in them place. Me want to it for her. Me I got to it for her. And it's my business place and there's not a bumbleclad no one can do about it. Because it's female. Me must know what me I get out of it if I am getting anything out of it. It's my place. Why wouldn't I sell the cake them for the woman? It not disrupt my sales. I am happy to do so. And Nana Lynn for pick up my cake and them buy food. Nana Lynn tell me that Chris I want thing with the Royals them, you know. Anytime they come for pick up them cake, them a support me.
That's right, go. You have things that sell things, you know. People, you have a lot of people.
So because of my
you have a lot of people who have stores, shops selling various things. And them have certain things in the way. It not really sell, but things sell things. A man cannot walk down the whole road, a whole stretch of road and look for one padlock. And the shop cannot have it where he would expect to have it. But the person don't have the padlock because padlock not sell fast. But if it not sell fast, if I even half dozen you have in the shop, because you see that one padlock where the man a walk and can't get, when him come to bite him get the opportunity to view your shop. And he might just see something else so him want. And the one padlock sell one or two more things. So that's how it go. You have things that sell things.
Them reach a Nana Lynn.
You have things that they have no value. When you say no value, no profit. But if you have it, you can sell something else.
Because them a come on my shop.
Flavored water people.
And if it's even a slice of cake, them a buy it. Because of one thing with Plankers and Royals, them a support. And them not afraid for support.
And people, in the same life, when just a while ago, it manifests. It's just true, me did stop record at that time, but it manifests. A woman come there to pick up her cake and end up buy one of him cereal cake. So what him say in this life, when me endorse things, sell things, it do manifest in the same life. The woman go collect her cake and see man pull up on him. And I say she just go pick up her cake from the Donna cake and she end up buy one of him cereal cake. And it's not like she just say it because she want to make him feel away. Him could have see it in the bag. Because the bag with in is a see-through bag, so him could have see the two cake in the bag. So what him even say in the life, it manifests it too.
Them not afraid for support, my loves. We have business and no business is not business in. Because uno no know them something there. Sometimes we have to have other people products for draw crowd.
Yeah.
Not that me need for draw no crowd neither.
No, that don't mean you not sell, but at the same
Not that me
time,
need for
you
draw no
think
crowd.
business wise.
And guess what? And it's not even Donna. And not even Donna asked me for sell no cake. And me said Donna, the people in England want cake. And me. Carry her cake them over here. She never asked me for sell not one cake. And me do it off of my own back. So if whether me I get out of it or me not get nothing out of it or me I get
Well,
a
that's not
commission
really, that's not
or
the
me I
problem
get a
with them.
little tips of
That
the
should
money
be a
or me
problem
not
to
get
them.
none, that is nobody business.
Right. Why that should be a problem to
Uno
them?
too damn fast.
Slowphy, you gonna say him now make nothing out of it. The way with the
This
man
is
tell
why
you say
someone
want
that
something
had
out
a
of it.
friend.
Favor
This is
go
why
far
someone
away
don't
when you have
understand
friendship.
friendships.
Right.
Uno don't understand certain, that's why uno tan so.
Favor
That's
go
why
a
someone
far
dunce.
way.
That's why someone
Not
dumb.
just
That's
handle
why
to
uno
you
not have it
alone.
up here, so uno not compound on the life, uno so retarded.
As
Uno not have
friends,
uno not have sense.
favor go a far way. You can't want to
Clearly,
walk,
uno
you
not
walk
have
the
sense.
ocean for you and you're afraid to go across the road for me. Where?
Somehow uno chat too damn much. Uno just need to chill and just leave people business alone. Because nobody never send call on us, none of uno opinion. Here in a people business and interfere so much that when me come out here, me cuss on class, right? Well, cuss on class, and whatever, uno come back for class, me, and then uno have back and forth. Me not have back and forth, I go with some of my love. Because this is the reason why some of the platform bigger than some of
Slowphy,
the
that back and front with you and her, you know. But it not going to benefit her.
the people are what
That's
some
how
of
it benefit her with she leggy. Nothing at all.
That's why one of views is so small. Because one is small people, small-minded people. One is so small that one never know how to spell the word small.
Alright.
And especially for the slow girl over there, so she had the next one. She never know if she go her blood clot come. She never know if she go her come.
Slowphy.
Almost done bake. I can't cuss out on a nasty
Slowphy.
blood clot now.
Y.M.K come calling.
You understand me?
Answer.
Because the season almost over.
Answer your doorbell, Slowphy.
99.9% of the
Slowphy,
kids them
answer
gone
your
out
doorbell.
already.
Y.M.K is right there.
You don't need to look into yourself. Look how much things out there for do. For me and Donna, you don't focus on this. You don't focus on that. You focus on yourself.
You not carry the price, brother.
Blood clot, dumb and pussy clot, retarded.
You and Donna have the price. Nobody else can have the
never
price.
make no sense in a real life. You not for rely upon calling people and forget a view or two. And at least me have a car. At least me I live. Me not just survive. Someone just a survive, my love. I am living, my love. I am living. Wanna stay there and watch me, my love. At least me I make my
as
money.
me get
Wanna
the
own and
money,
make
it
$2
done.
on YouTube, $5 on Facebook.
And to mouth,
Slow for me.
it reach and can reach mouth now.
I'm in a deal with slowness. Me in the fast lane. I consider myself me in the fast
Speed
lane. Loves.
and
that's
more
for me,
speed.
Too slow for me,
Need
my
to
love.
get ahead of life.
No, she never know if she got her blood clot cup because
Whoa.
this is what she know with fear fucked
Wow.
up. With fear fucked up self. No, the other day she come out on her life and I talk about
She need your
if she want
assistant.
to come to my shop and
She
me
need
can
your
teach her
assistant.
baking. Can you imagine?
You never answer, so she just
She
come
want
at
to
you
come on
now.
a place for me teach her bake. Now what the fuck you do have a blood
You
clot
did not
shop and
answer
you
her
like my
request,
bitch?
so what you expect?
Eh?
So if you request and you
I
don't
know
answer
like
it,
a bone in my body. True me not give you no noise. You find a different way. I know I go up the stairs. But you want to come on my business place for lessons. And then you cuss my business. I don't know, so no sense.
why when you don't teach her? Cause she slow so. And when you don't teach her, me mind know that I don't like take a comb and brush out one ear, you know. Or one curl in her and curl the ear, you know. That name mixtures. You know, consists of measurement. And with she so slow, go see, I forgot that behind her back and forth, and you don't have them the time there. You want somebody where you can left and say, this is what you're supposed to do, and you know, say, well, when you leave, that is what it's doing. Slowphy, you couldn't work there for you. Because I don't know when Y.M.K. don't teach you. You're too slow for you. The man say fast lane, I mean a speed and more speed.
You need to stick to one something. Stick to one something. She a hairdresser. And although we can't see one client here, what she do? Although we can't see one client here, what she do?
You know,
she's yet to put a client in a one.
Come to think of it, that's true, you know. You know, some hairdresser that technology take over now. So you know, say you have this whole heap of site where people have WhatsApp, Instagram. So you know, most of these professional persons, when them do them little thing, them take a picture, especially the hairdressers and the nail tech them use that to promote themselves. Especially all in a hairstyle, them have it where them can, somebody come to them with the idea to do a hair, them can go back to them phone and say something like this. Or if somebody come and want a style, them can float them phone and say, look, if you say anything, that's how you like. For real, Slowphy, come to think of it, Slowphy. Yeah, hairdresser, I never yet see a post to hair what you do. The closest me see you go, you get somebody put in your chair and wrap them back and say you do them face. Eh? No, Slowphy, man. And you say, you go school of this and school of that to learn to do what you do. Why so?
Or cheer them and do them ear. She's yet to do that.
Never see that yet for true.
Okay? And I mean she a come for. I should do a daytime and brush out this dry toasty wig. And whatever, we can't see she
no
customer.
Cut the mannequin head. She so brush the mannequin head till she get dry scalp.
Now you tell me. It is to you. I am nobody for you. Me know your brother. Me know your sister. Me know your uncle. Me know nobody for you. To you, the way all people portray me all they are, me is a big piece of shit. Fine. So what do you care about this big piece of shit for you out there try to reprimand me and not tell me about myself or what I should or should not do with myself? Did it occur to you that I am fine with what I am doing?
Sure, the anti of social media.
I am very much fine with how I'm living my life and what is going
them
on
say
in my life
one
right
big
now.
family, you know. So we are their
he's
kids.
He's a businessman and he's disrespecting women. Oh my God. Da 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 da. Okay, so the same woman when me out for disrespect my lover, when me I disrespect, now them come fuck with me.
Same
them
so.
come fuck with me, you know.
Same so, but if you stand up and keep your mouth locked and say nothing.
Cause them don't have nothing better for do.
Them alone to come out here come chat.
Go see some of them people at house. All them house want clean. Go see some of them
I want to tidy up, I want to clean it, want to tidy up,
you
know.
Disrespected females now.
I want to start today or tomorrow. Because remember, I'm a one-man band enough people, I live alone, you know.
Told me they are mind the business where I pay me
on
to
the night,
ras.
me see wifey, till morning, after me get up wifey down.
Cause him not there. Me not no help. Me can get help, but me not want no help. Them the control there. Me not remember them the grass smite them I love. Me not remember them the people them I love. I don't remember these people. Me don't even know them. Me forget about them the data them I love. Sweep them under the rug. I don't know who these people are. Me never meet them a day in a real life, but them have problem with me.
And then that
and
Sophie
they don't come back again. This is why sometimes I hear things that, and it's true me know how me can get. Enough time me want to reply to someone and me just hold it. Because when me come out here very deadly and severe. And you not gonna like it.
Sophie want a challenge right now, because Sophie want a hype, you know. Sophie want a hype, and you're one of the better person to give her the hype. So Sophie wouldn't mind that right now. She not busy. Oh, you're going to mash her up. She know she's going to get a little hype.
From Jamaica,
but what she going to gain from the hype?
Right now, me have one of them on speed dial in my WhatsApp. Let them tell me things about her, my love.
You serious?
Things that I could have come out and come share, but it's not none of my business.
My name tell me I tell you things, you know.
I feed, she feed, you know.
You know things too?
Yeah. She feed her for my shit.
You know things too? You know, hear me always I want Sophie say, Sophie, behave yourself, you know, behave yourself. Me speak to all people for call Sophie and tell Sophie say, behave yourself, Sophie. Behave yourself in a social. Yes, me tell people. People who know her like that and people who are relative to her in a sense. You know? All people who used to dugu mensar, yes. And me say, not call her and talk to her. tell her that she will leave people business on social media. The way she going at it is not the right way. Me talk to all of people about her. Because sometimes them always see me and say, why you do Sophie so? I say, what you do about Sophie? She said, yes man. Some of them say Sophie call them and complain. And Sophie this and Sophie. I say, I tell her if you leave social media business, people business alone. Find something else to do with our platform. And stop come out here, come bring down people to get to the top. Because if you even get to the top, you're not going to last down up to the top when you try to binnacle people. We're up there. Because God not like ugly. Me talk to people about her and tell them, man. Because most of them come to me, you know. Because she a call down here, you know. And I describe me, you know. So people say, yeah man, me know him, man. Wait. So sometimes some people will see me and come to me and say, ups. Boy, Sophie a ball. Wait. Why, Sophie? I don't know how you gonna make it out.
She come in like them blood clot alligator way in a fish tank when they have the green sitting them. I don't know when the alligator in the fish tank and the fish tank green and you have the sucker fish them walk around and suck off.
In Jamaica we call it tank cleaner.
And suck off the green sitting off of the fish tank.
Yeah.
That's a bottom feeder.
Every fish tank always have in one of that.
That is a fucking bottom feeder, my love.
Right now.
Right?
Honestly, Sophie not about to bust in a social media. I tell you the honest truth. She's like.
Someone understand don't have problem with me, my love. Got problem with herself.
You dig up a flower, she plant it somewhere else, and you cut off the root. And I plant it, think it will catch and it okay.
I want from nowhere. I want to know me. I want to pitch for me, my love.
Sophie tired own and in a social media.
Leave me alone. I don't know from nowhere. And if one of the last set of people in the face of the earth, my love, I don't want to know no come, I don't want a friend from none of you. From a business place for classes and whatever. With your guns, blood clot self.
You got a catering service, man, go school, man, go learn it, man.
In my business place, you must be fucking mad. Are you mad? Are you mad, bruv? Are you mad?
You are on training center now.
You're more delulu than I think you is. I can't and go lay 2 eggs. And leave me the fuck alone with a blood clot slow self. Clot. I want to catch someone on the right way for cuss out on a nasty blood clot, you see? And where may I go? Remember me telling us back in the days. I war out here. Some phone proper. And I don't give a shit. But you don't keep fucking with me, my love. If you don't like me, do not talk about me. I'm telling you this last year, the year before, and the year before, and the year before. If you don't like me, not chat about me. Because I'm going to come out here, I'm going to disgrace Uno, I'm going to talk up the things them, and I'm me out of the whole of Uno, I'm going to make money, my love, because he's a cuss bud, he's a cussara.
Sophie, sure know you're not going to make none. Alright? Because you don't know how to make it. All when you pattern the people, them style, you still can't make it. Because as me say, you come out, you come tired and in a social media. Just looking for a break and searching for a break, you tie your own and in a social media. No matter what you do right now, you have to go in a different diaspora. And you have to go start all over. You tie your hand in a car, you approach it the wrong way. Speak my mind, people. Bless upon yourself and thanks for watching. Happy Friday evening. You can't be good, be careful. Remember, you know what to do. It is so easy. Want to see at the top of this video? Yes, man. That is one of the winner of the question for week before last. You know, Ganzi just fit her right and sit down. Boy, I love that neon green there, panda color there, see, man. Yeah, man. The neon green coming like it fit the dark color t-shirt. Then I'm going to put more than neon green there on the dark color t-shirt. Although those neon green print is more expensive than the regular. But I feel like I love the neon green on the dark color shirt. Them, it just gives a pop. Yes, man. So, I don't know what to do. As I say, so easy. I remember to watch the ads. Because support me on Life is a Mission TV, on TikTok, and go over favorite the new app that is going to replace TikTok for the Jamaican diaspora, especially the one overseas. And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy asking you for a subscription. And remember now, the cash app is there, $, Charms and Trends. When you give me, I use a gift to give back to the needy. and go support Charms and Trends. Check them on Instagram, charmed_and_trends. Reach out to the DM for anything you see there and you want it customized, or if there's something on the site and you want it, you can go straight to the website and order it. charmsandtrend.shop. Bless upon yourself. Happy Friday. Stay safe. And remember, the festive season is around the corner. If you can't be good, please be careful. A whole heap of little unnecessary things go on, because I see the people that don't want, the boy them don't want to work. Even some girl too don't want to work. Because you have girl a thief too, you know. I'm telling you about the girl them downtown. As you step into the store, you rest on your bag till you're tired. Then replace your bag with a bag of old clothes. Or some stone with some old clothes and newspaper. When you reach home and you're looking at your bag and your bag. So, woman a thief in the system too. So, want to just be careful. Alright? Peace out.